So because my mom has rheumatoid arthritis, it's hard for her to walk the bridge. We're going down to Animator's Palette and we're going to be on one of those handicap accessible shuttles. It just makes it a little easier for her because, you know, she does have a really hard time with the lengthy walks.
We're on the gangplank.
Please note, no seashells.
So both out, okay?
To the actual shuttle that takes you to the beachy area. I think. Maybe not. I'm so excited. Oh, I love it.
Am I saying your name right? Dina or Diana?
Gift card.
Thank you so much.
If you pay partial with the gift card, get started for your safety.
Papa will land on you. Of all your things and take them with you as you leave. Easy for you to say.
I forgot to mention, when you get off the tram, make sure you grab your towels because it seems to be the only spot to grab them. Ah, there they are. Beautiful.
This is kind of nice. You don't have to pay for all that.
It's taking us a minute to acclimate, but we're acclimating. I would definitely look at a map prior to coming down here so you know where you're going. But here's another set of cabanas. And these are pretty hard to grab unless you're concierge level and you book pretty far out so that the window opens and you can reserve one. I want to say they're $1,000 a day. Okay, the Blue Hole Bar, if you see that, that's where you're going to find Serenity Bay. All right, we are all set up. I'm out of breath. Here's the Serenity Bay beach. It's actually a perfect day, not too much sun, it's a little breezy. I don't generally love beaches, but I can deal with a beach day like this. The only thing I'm scared about is I don't know if like sharks and stuff can get in, so I probably won't be going far into this water, I'll tell you that. But here's the beach. This is the Serenity Bay food. It seems a little busy over here, but we're gonna go to Choo Choo Barbecue 2. That looks really nice, actually. And there are no flies. Okay, so now we're gonna head back to Choo 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 Barbecue because that is where my server, Ruben, is, so that I can get my gluten-free options. It's not that spaced out. I feel like it's not horrible once you're here walking around. It's a little too chaotic at Choo Choo Choo, so we're gonna go back to the Serenity Bay. I can order a gluten-free burger anywhere, so I'm not worried about it. I mean, worst case scenario. I totally crashed out. I did not do the right thing here. Thank you. Well, this is focusing, but that's the kids splash pad. I'm not gonna go in there and take any video because that's just rude. I don't want to video anyone's kids, but that's very different from Castaway Cay. I don't believe they have a full splash pad. I know they have something in the water for the kids, but it's pretty cool. Sadly, Chippendale's meet and greet is now over, but they're so cute in their Bahamian outfits. This beach is absolutely packed at 2:30, like packed. This is the family beach. Just keep this in mind. It's absolutely packed down here. Way more packed than I've ever seen Castaway Cay. Okay, so we decided we are not going to the Pirate Night dinner, so we ordered a plethora of goodies from room service because all this is included in your cruise. So enjoy yourself and get the good stuff. Room service was delicious. Perfect for Caribbean Pirate Night because that Caribbean food, not really our fave. So while we were waiting, we got our invite for Just Say Cheese. This is a special meet and greet for concierge guests up in the concierge lounge. So they say bring, I don't have my glasses on, meet and greet with one special Disney friend. And they say bring your autograph and camera. So I'm excited to see who's up there. So we'll see this probably next week. So we are finishing up our room service, and then we're gonna kind of go see what's going on for Pirate Night and just take it in. I heard that it's best to go up to the lounge to watch the fireworks because you have a better spot and it's less chaotic. So I think that's what we are going to do. So stick around.
That's what she said.
Really going there.
Pirate crew!
And don't forget to have fun too!
And last, but certainly not least, keeping the most common of piratesses and the beauty that snagged Captain Mickey's very heart. Let your cheers rock the seas for Lapu and Minnie, and Pirate Minnie!
Are you ready for pirate fun and adventure?
We sure are, Minnie! True pirate spirit, we need you all to sing and dance along with us! Just do as we do! Aye, and the next time the chorus comes along, sing it with us! Pirate Minnie!
Oh, thank you! When you sing it, what you do?
All right, big finish!
So at last, what be a pirate's favorite song? Loud and proud, sing along!
Right there.
Now declare all of you official members of my pirate crew!
Abandon your stations or prepare to take cold steel. New captain of this here ship, all the way from Neverland. It's Captain Hope.
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine!
Hearing all of us chant, Hook is a codfish! Hook is a codfish!
Hook is a codfish! Hook is a codfish!
What? Yep, have fun, me hearties! See you pirates later!
This concierge team in the world. They are here. They are the best. This is so cute. I love it. They did all this little stuff. That's so cool. Sorry. Well, I'm in the perfect location for fireworks, and there's not a lot of people around because we are on the concierge deck. I am just sleeping. Mom is perusing her phone, and we're just chilling on the deck. And apparently, the fireworks are going to be right above us, right here. So, do I feel like this has been worth it? Thus far, yes. So we'll see the fireworks soon. Yes! Woohoo! Darla! It is so cute. I want ice cream now. I'm on fire. I want candy. I might have to get some ice cream. How cute.
I have to take this home.
Oh, who are you gonna give that to if you take it home?
Huh?
Who would you give that to? Excuse me. Well, that's the end of the pirate night. Go to bed, everyone. I think there's something in my room. There's all these extra little magnets and a glow necklace. Mom, put my thing to the...
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we had 2 more
Oh
in my
my
pocket.
gosh. Oh, there's Mickey ear or Mickey hands too.
Hands.
How cute. Okay. Go ahead.
No, you have to.
Oh. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, she is so sweet. She is just so sweet.